Ha! Charan!
This is your new gen communicator, Rebecca.
This is your new gen communicator, Ace. And ano nga ba ang gagawin natin ngayon?
So for today's episode, napaka-exciting nito kasi we're going to interview our fellow Bacom students from the first years.
Yes, you heard it right. Ano? Tara, arat na!
You stepped inside with a vibe I ain't never seen. Yes, you did. Ooh, girl, if you talk like you walk, come and talk to me.
So, hello po.
Hi.
Can you introduce yourself po muna sa kanila?
So I am Kent Michael Eldarida from the Bachelor of Arts in Communication 1A.
Good day everyone, and kasama natin ang ating fellow Bacom student from first year. Please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Mariah A. Ballesteros, a first year student sa BSc.
Hello po, kindly introduce yourself po muna.
So, I am Marjon Maconocido. I'm studying at Benguet State University and ayun, ang course ko is Bachelor of Arts in Communication.
So, yes. For the first question, what made you choose comms?
I choose comms because it is one of my pinaka first na choice here in Benguet State University, which I pinano ko na yan when I was in senior high back then, and after ko pinag-isipan bago pumasok dito is I choose comms because mas broad ang mas malawak yung mga opportunities, not just gaining knowledge and gaining information about communication, but having a broad future.
First of all, hindi ko actually siya first choice, pero basically first choice ko siya nung nag-grade 12 ako. Kasi nung grade 11, we had a project na short film, and I was tasked to be the co-director and the editor of the film, and parang yun yung nag-drive sa akin na i-pursue yung comms. And I also serve sa media ministry ng church namin, so parang nakita ko yung sarili ko na nagtatrabaho or pursuing the field of comms, lalo na to work backstage. And I also chose during the work immersion ng grade 12, we went to PTV Cordillera and Love Radio, and I was really intrigued to really pursue this course because of what they really do backstage.
I choose comms because we all know na ang comms is nagpe-play siya ng vital role sa ating lahat. It plays a vital role when it comes to connecting people, and we all know it is not just limited to the fact na maraming opportunities ang makukuha mo when you study comms. The fact na you can gain confidence, na mag-grow yung confidence mo is that gives you right to choose comms.
One myth or misconception about being a communication student that you want to debunk?
So far so good is yung mas narinig ko is yung first year pa lang kami. So yung mga narinig ko last sem is sinabi nila na maingay daw. Maingay ang mga comms. Basta maingay sila na walang sense yung mga sinasabi nila, which is gusto ko lang naman na sabihin. If I were to use my voice na parang is I will say to the sa mga madla na we're just not communication student kasi maingay kami. We're using our communication to promote something, to promote communication in a way na this is not just a noise or a barrier or any that parang ginagawa nilang maingay lang ang comms, which is hindi naman pala totoo. So yun lang.
Yung bagsakan daw ng walang choice yung course natin, yung Bacom. Kasi parang since hindi siya board course or like akala yung isa ding myth yung daldal lang, akala nila it's like very easy. So parang hindi lang talaga siya bagsakan ng mga no choice.
Siguro yung sinasabi nila na kapag comms ka is madaldal ka. Not all comms students is madaldal. There are so many comms students na they think before they speak. And yun.
So next, identify at least one subject or skills in communication that you find most useful.
Yung nasa communication theory, which is yung tinuro ni Sir Revin, is yung mga theories doon na which marami kaming natutunan sa subject na yun, in which nakatulong din sa amin to improve our communication in a way na parang we more understand how people behave, people interact, and people who communicate with us, that we can adjust or we can ano na tawag dun? Parang kaya nating makipagsabayan or we can adapt in that environment.
I would
So-
say yung yung major namin ngayon, which is yung development communication. Kasi akala ko course lang talaga siya, like upon entering BSU, pero parang since yung dun sa CIS nga parang mas specific nga daw yung field nila, pero for me mas important for me, di ba yung it's important kasi parang as a first year nakikita ko na parang this is where we apply na agad-agad yung parang ano ba yun, ma-apply mo agad yung, or this is where they see na okay, comms, na this is where we see, okay, mag-reporting kami, or like we will go to the mag-field kami, we're going to be doing documentaries. So I think it's really going to be important, or siguro ma-enjoy ko din siya kasi I think it's also going outside of school din for, you know, applying what you've learned and really exploring the field of DevCom din.
Siguro sa akin sa communication development. Kasi sa communication development, it provides growth, It teaches you kung paano mag-develop, not just within the society, but sa sarili mo, personal.
What are you looking forward more in this course?
Sa first na nabasa ko sa mga subjects na yun is about more in filming, journalism, broadcasting, and more. So I'm excited na pumunta na dun sa mga years, which hindi ko naman fast forward na pumunta agad sa mga time na yun, which I enjoy more. Pero I want to enjoy it. And I want na mas na-excite ako sa mga pag narinig ko yung mga subjects na yun. For me, yun lang nakaka-excite.
I look forward is yung dun sa mga activities, especially when it requires or yung mag-film kami, going out of school for filming. I mean, I enjoy having activities in class, pero that's one reason din kasi why I pursued ComSci is yung working behind the scenes. I think I would say it's the film and yeah, that's it. Or broadcasting as well. Yun lang po.
Ayun, sa filming siguro kasi as of now, hindi pa hasado yung skills namin when it comes to filming. Right now, parang nasa pa lang kami, nasa speaking, ganun pa lang. And there, in the future, at least ma-develop namin yun. Kasi sa talaga, kapag magkakaroon na kami ng job, it will be useful talaga.
So yun lang naman. Thank you so much.
Thank you po for participating.